Hi, my name is Aidan Convey, Managing Director of A1 Carpentry and Joinery. A1 Carpentry and Joinery has been established since 1994. We are specialists in cut and pitch roofing as well as trusses, loft conversions and extensions. We also offer a professional and efficient service for managing of general building work. Whatever your carpentry requirements, as a small independent company, we are able to offer an attentive and reliable service that is guaranteed to deliver your project on budget and on time. For more information, please phone 01634 838 784 or alternatively phone my mobile on 077 88 853 985. Thank you.